What if I told you that the device you're using right now isn't just for entertainment or social media, it's a money-making machine? And no, I'm not talking about getting lucky with crypto or gambling online. I'm talking about real, sustainable ways to generate income using just your computer. Think about this. While most people scroll endlessly through social media or binge-watch videos, others are using the same device to earn thousands of dollars every month. The internet has changed the game, and if you know how to use it, your computer can become your most powerful financial asset. In this video, I'm going to show you proven ways to make money with your computer, whether you want to replace your 9-to-5, create passive income, or just make some extra cash on the side. By the end of this, you'll not only know how to make money online, but you'll have a strategy to start immediately. Let's dive in. 1. The hidden power of your computer. Why most people don't use it to make money. Most people see their computers as tools for work, school, or entertainment, but in reality, they are gateways to financial independence. The internet has created an entire digital economy that allows people to make money anytime, anywhere. But here's the problem. Most people don't know where to start, or worse, they don't believe it's possible. The truth? Millions of people worldwide are making full-time incomes from their computers. Think about it, freelancers, content creators, online entrepreneurs, investors, all they need is an internet connection and a strategy. Your computer is an asset, but only if you know how to use it. The reason so many people don't tap into these opportunities is simple: limiting beliefs and lack of knowledge. They assume online income is only for tech geniuses or influencers with millions of followers. But the reality is, with the right information and approach, anyone can start making money with a computer, including you. This video will break down exactly how you can monetize your skills, knowledge, and time using your computer. So let's move on to the first major way you can start earning today. 2. Freelancing, turning skills into cash without a boss. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to make money with your computer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal allow you to get paid for skills you already have. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, voice-over work, or even virtual assistants, there's a demand for what you can do. For example, let's say you're good at writing. Businesses need blog posts, ad copy, and email marketing content every single day. If you charge $50 per article and write just 4 articles a week, that's an extra $800 per month. And that's just the beginning. As you build your portfolio, you can start charging more. But freelancing isn't just about having a skill, it's about branding yourself. Successful freelancers create compelling profiles, showcase their best work, and build strong client relationships. The key to making serious money? Specialization. The more niche your skill set, the more you can charge. If you're just starting, don't worry. The best way to get clients is to offer initial work at a competitive price, deliver top-quality results, and build reviews. Over time, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Many freelancers eventually turn their skills into full-time businesses, earning 6 figures from home. 3. Content creation, the secret to earning while you sleep. YouTube, blogging, and podcasting aren't just hobbies anymore, they're legitimate sources of income. If you have something valuable to share, you can make money by creating content and monetizing it through ads, sponsorships, and digital products. Take YouTube, for example. Creators make thousands, even millions, by sharing knowledge, entertainment, or tutorials. Once your videos gain traction, YouTube pays you through ad revenue. And if you add affiliate marketing or your own digital products to the mix, you create multiple income streams. Blogging works the same way. With a niche website, you can attract traffic and make money through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Even podcasts are blowing up. Advertisers are paying big money to reach engaged audiences. The secret? Consistency and value. Pick a niche you're passionate about, create content, and build an audience. The money follows the attention. But remember, building an audience takes time. The key is to start now, stay consistent, and keep improving. 4. Online businesses, building a digital empire from home. Ever heard of dropshipping? Print on demand? Selling digital products? These online business models allow you to make money without holding inventory or dealing with shipping logistics. Dropshipping, for example, lets you sell products from suppliers without ever touching them. You create an online store, list trending products, and when a customer buys, the supplier ships it directly to them. Your profit? The difference between what the customer pays and what the supplier charges. Similarly, selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates can generate passive income. You create it once, and it sells over and over again. The best part? These businesses scale. Unlike freelancing, where you trade time for money, online businesses let you generate revenue even when you're not working. By now, you've seen how powerful your computer can be. The only difference between you and someone making six figures online is action. Every opportunity we've discussed today has the potential to change your financial future. But only if you start. So ask yourself, what's stopping you? Fear? Doubt? Perfectionism? None of that will make you money. Taking action will? Even if you start small, the key is to start. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built daily. Every step you take today brings you closer to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, check out the description and pinned comment. I've left some useful links and exclusive recommendations to help you start making money with your computer today. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube has picked the best next video for you to watch. It's on screen right now. Click it, and I'll see you there.